Running Google Ads can be a great way to grow your business, but it's easy to make mistakes that waste your time and money. Today, I'm going to talk about 10 common Google Ads mistakes you should avoid. Let's get started. Not setting clear goals. Before you even create an ad, know what you want to achieve. Do you want more website visits, phone calls, sales? Your goals guide your entire campaign. If you don't know what you're aiming for, how do you know if you're achieving them? Skipping keyword research. Don't just guess what people are searching for. Use tools to find relevant keywords that people type into Google. This helps your ads show up for the right searches and not just for any search. Not using negative keywords. This is super important. Negative keywords tell Google what searches you don't want your ads to show up for. For example, if you're selling new cars, you'd add used as a negative keyword to avoid wasting money on people looking for used cars. Writing weak ad copy. Your ad text needs to be clear, compelling, and tell people why they should click. Highlight your unique selling points. Don't just list what you do. Tell them what's in it for them. Sending traffic to the wrong landing page. When someone clicks your ad, they should land on a page that directly relates to what your ad promised. If your ad is about blue widgets, don't send them to your general homepage. Send them to the blue widgets page. Ignoring mobile optimization. A huge number of searches happen on phones. Make sure your website and landing pages look good and work well on mobile devices. If they don't, people will just leave. Not tracking conversions. How do you know if your ads are working if you don't track what happens after someone clicks? Set up conversion tracking to see if people are filling out forms, making purchases, or calling you. This shows you your return on investment. Setting and forgetting it. Google Ads isn't a set it and forget it system. You need to regularly check your campaigns, adjust bids, and refine your keywords and ad copy. What works today might not work tomorrow. Not testing variations. Don't just have one ad. Create different versions of your ads with different headlines or descriptions. Google will show the best performing one more often, helping you get better results. Ignoring your quality score. Google gives your keywords a quality score. A higher score can mean lower costs and better ad positions. Focus on the relevance between your keywords, ads, and landing pages to improve this. Avoiding these 10 common mistakes can make a big difference in your Google Ads performance. You'll save money, save time, and get better results. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.